How to contact Milestone Credit Card customer support. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be talking about contacting the Milestone Credit Card customer support, so let's get started. First of all, you have to visit the official Milestone Credit Card website and look for the Contact Us, a customer service section. On the contact page, you will find the contact details including the phone numbers, email addresses, and mailing addresses as well. If you prefer phone support, call the provided phone number to speak with the representative, and for the email support, use the email address listed on the website to send a detailed message about your inquiry or the issue. If you prefer traditional mail, send your letter to the mailing address provided. Additionally, you can check if the Milestone Credit Card has a presence on the social media platforms like Twitter or Facebook for the customer service options, and if you have an online account, explore the additional support options like the live chat or the messaging features as well. So remember to have your account information or any relevant details ready when you reach out for the assistance. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider liking, commenting, and sharing and subscribing to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for your support. See you in the next one.